welcome back to my channel. Being on keto doesn't mean you have to stay away from your favorite dessert. Today I'm whipping up some very easy, simple, yet extremely delicious, very delicious muffins. I'm making a few strawberry muffins and a few blueberry muffins. You can always use any other berries that you prefer, maybe mulberry or raspberry. So let's check out how I make it.
This is 2.5 cups of almond flour. To this I'm adding about 9 tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. These are all the dry ingredients. Mix them well. I'm taking half a stick of butter, that is about 1/3 cup of butter, which is going to be melted. Add in this melted butter and 1/3 cup of unsweetened coconut milk. You can also take unsweetened almond milk. This is vanilla extract. I've taken 3 large eggs. I've not beaten them, but you can always beat the eggs first and then add them. I'm going to zest 1 whole lemon. Make sure that you don't take the white of the lemon. It tends to be bitter. Mix it well. I forgot to add salt, so I'm adding it now, but you can add it earlier with the dry ingredients. Just a little bit, maybe just a pinch of salt. I'm going to divide this portion into half. One portion is going to be for strawberry muffins and the other one is going to be for the blueberry muffins. In this I'm going to add chopped strawberries. Don't chop the strawberries too fine and fold in very gently. The same goes with the other batter for the blueberries. Fold in the blueberries gently too, otherwise they can burst. Now I'm going to just put in some batter at the back of the liner so that they stick well. And then just put the batter equally in all the molds. You can fill up the molds till the brim. Now they are ready to go in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After 33 minutes, your muffins are ready. They are smelling delicious. Just cool them for about 10 to 15 minutes and then they are ready to eat. Just look at this now. Isn't this beautiful or what?
I hope you enjoyed watching the video. These muffins are extremely delicious. The combination of the berries and the lemon zest is very, very refreshing. This is a great snack or a dessert any time of the day. And it is a great midnight snack too. Do let me know how you like them in the comment box below. And thanks for watching.